Hi everybody, in this video I would like to talk about this cooking implement. It's revolutionary but some assembly is required. So the item in question is the Trangia triangle. So it's just basically a few pieces of steel sheet that forms into a stove. I'll be right back after this thing is set up. Okay, after playing a bit with this little puzzle, I finally assembled the Trangia triangle. So basically, it's a ultra portable stove system that you can use, for your travels. Whether you go motor camping, bicycle touring, hiking, or just purely going for a camping trip. You want something that is super minimalist and light and easy to pack. This is the solution. So it comes in 3 pieces. It has a metal brace in the center to actually form as a support for the triangle. So you need to fit it by the side. It's like one part after another. And the thing that gives tension is this little ring in the center. So the Trangia triangle, comes with an instruction sheet and all that. And you can actually, toy around with it and figure out how to assemble it. So, Trangia released this a few years back. It became a huge sensation. Everybody was so excited, The first production run sold out. So, it went into another production run with some minor tweaks and improvements. So, Trangia has done something to make it even better. And the triangle itself, it goes around 27 euros. But if you buy it together with the alcohol stove, right, it's 30 something. It's even more worth it. So I bought the complete package with the alcohol stove. Okay, this is super brand new. This untouched. Okay, you have the flame controller, you have the lid, and of course, the brass alcohol stove. So this is something that propel Trangia into greatness among hikers, and all those campers in Europe. They have this very simple design that lasted more than a century. So very simple. Just put denatured alcohol. Do not use kerosene. Do not use lighter fluid. Pure alcohol, denatured alcohol, or spirit of water. So what you do is that, okay, one option is to drop the spirit burner here, and then you can use it to boil water. It's multifunctional. You can use it with a frying pan, with a pot, with any implement, even a mess tin. And removing it after use and for storage is super simple. And to make it even more versatile, Trangia came out with an option for a gas burner. So this is something that you can buy from Trangia. Okay, this is a burner that you can actually drop into the triangle, and the line goes out to a gas canister. This makes it even more ultra versatile. Okay, you have no time to waste to set up a alcohol stove. You have the gas stove option. So the triangle, I think the latest accessory release, they have another piece here on top that you can put on the triangle to support small little cups and all that. You want to heat up a cup, because the area here doesn't really allow you to put small items. So Trangia released an additional accessory for the triangle to be set on top of this little foot here, for you to use smaller diameter pots. It won't fall straight into the the stove holder. Another option that you can use, for the burner, you can have the hexamine tablet burner with this, which you can buy separately from Trangia. And as far as the usage is concerned, this is super portable, super flexible. And then once you remove remove the components and all that, take away the ring. Everything folds into a very compact package. The triangle comes with a carrying case. Okay, this is original. So the one I bought is with the alcohol burner. So everything here packs into this carrying case. Okay, the ring goes inside, the instruction manual and all that, and you pack up your alcohol stove. Like so, you're good to go. So there you have it, man, the Trangia triangle. Yeah.